What's going on, guys? It's Avery and Taylor
And
Jones
Taylor Jones official.
coming at you from Costa Rica. I'm here in Nashville. And in this video, we're going to go over the full itinerary for the event. Taylor, you want to tell them what's going on Friday night?
Yes, guys. So Friday night, whenever you guys are gonna be flying in, hopefully during the day or in the afternoon, around 5 to 6 o'clock in South Beach. Everyone that's in the area, hopefully you guys are in South Beach already at that time. We're gonna be getting together at one or two restaurant bars to network and hang out and just connect. Who knows? We got to be in bed early that day. Okay, so no shenanigans Friday. And then Saturday, the event is starting at 8 a.m. sharp in the morning. Have your coffee ready.
What's the parking situation?
Yeah, so the parking, if you guys pull up in your own car, there is no street parking. So you're gonna have to pay $30 to have your car valeted. We recommend staying in South Beach and getting an Uber or just jumping in a car with someone else. Okay, so if
Yeah,
you
so
do
the
pull
event,
up in your
event
own car,
venue is technically mid-beach, the event venue. I'll show them real quick on a map. If we open
yeah,
this up,
good call.
this is where the venue is going to be in mid-beach at the Confidante. You guys can just Google Confidante
Kind of like
mid-beach.
confident, but with an A. Is
Exactamente.
it the Confidante Hotel? Your
So
retro
this is
glam.
main event,
Yeah.
and real quick, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of the room we got. This is the room that we'll be doing it in right here. Actually, no, is this the room? No, this is not the room. This
It's
is the room here.
the Century Ballrooms. Is it the
We'll be
Century?
doing it.
Yes.
We needed to upgrade because we had more people. So actually, this is where lunch will be, and then we have a pretty big space for the main event. So we'll surprise you guys with that. And then Saturday night, what's going on Saturday night?
Yes, guys. So the event is going to go to roughly about 4:30, 5 o'clock p.m. As soon as you guys get tired of the speakers talking, we will all run it over to the after party, which is in an undisclosed location. Okay,
Somewhere
we
around
recommend
here.
you guys. We can't tell you where. It is top secret. Okay, but the good news is that open bar for the people that paid for the after party is going to start at 7. We recommend you guys get there at 6:30 to get your wristband. But the after party is going to start at around 6:37.
Yep. And there's going to be food trucks there available. Food is on you guys. You guys will pay for your own food, but we do cover all drinks. It's an open bar from 7 to 10. So if you guys are alcoholics, be sure to get there at 7. I'm just kidding. If you guys enjoy a good drink and networking, be sure to get there at 7. Drinks, you can get
Yeah.
drinks obviously after 10, but it'll be on your own. We're paying for all
If you
drinks.
guys if you guys like want a bougie dinner and you want to bounce at 5 and then go out to dinner with your own group of people and like go to a nice restaurant, that's fine. Just be at the after party by 7. But the food
Yep.
truck, there's 5 food trucks where we're going. So they have decent food. We're trying to help
Yep.
you guys
And then
people on a budget.
on Sunday, we are doing a yacht tour of Miami Bay. It's a sunset tour. All drinks are included. Basically, you can eat a pretty nice meal on the yacht. They have like a meat carver, so that'll be nice. But it's technically just hors d'oeuvres that are included. But you can get a good meal in. It's I have a feeling it'll be really good food. And then we're taking off somewhere around here. We'll give the exact location to people who have purchased the yacht. Again, if you want to purchase the yacht and you haven't, email us at miamisellersconference.com. It is $700 for the yacht experience. That's 4 hours. We have a very good ratio of 7-figure sellers to attendees. And many of the attendees are 7-figure sellers. So this is going to be a super high level
And
experience.
and guys, this is I was just gonna say this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I mean, to get on a boat this big and tour around Miami, I mean, for $700. I mean, people were paying $1,000 a person to get on the boats that we had, and it this is a thing to do in Miami to be on a boat and
Exactly.
hang
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. I ended up paying way more last year for my yacht tour. I don't think we. Big shout out to Carter Maxwell for paying. He basically paid for the yacht last year,
No, that
and
was Nathan.
Nathan and
Nathan.
Carter. I think they both.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just Nathan. Big shout out Nathan. Nathan sponsored our event inadvertently last year, but yeah, I paid over $1,000.
um,
or how much did I pay? I paid whatever. I never got my deposit back. But yeah, that's Sunday. So big shout out to Carbon 6. Carbon 6, you guys can look them up. They offer a ton of different services for Amazon sellers. They have a refunds manager service. They've aggregated multiple software companies together. Huge shout out to them for they sponsored the whole yacht this year, guys, and it was over 5 figures. So
Yeah, these guys are helping people big time with all these different services, product research, reimbursements. They do an amazing job at. So really, all the tools they're going to be there giving you guys the download on what they offer at the event. So
yeah. And shout out to Seller Amp for sponsoring probably 25% of lunch, however much we're paying for that. But big shout out to them as well. Their profit, what's it called? Like they show you exactly how much
scouting tool.
profit. Yeah, scouting tool. It's like one of the only tools I use in my online arbitrage business. That Keepa, go-to lister, and that's it.
The storefront stocking made easy, guys.
Yeah, and the creator of Seller Amp didn't even intend to make the software for that, but Miles and Warner have turned the software into a little malicious storefront stocking tool. So big shout out to Seller Amp. They'll be there as well in person. Also, shout out to Watch Me Amazon's 2D workflow. We'll be talking more about this at the event, but many of the attendees already use this. I've heard great things about it for wholesalers. They're able to quickly use the software to really avoid any extra Amazon fees with 2D barcodes and just smoothly get their items listed and active on Amazon. So we'll be talking more about that. We also have a few other sponsors pending. So once we get confirmation from them, we could do some pretty cool things for you guys at the event with them. Be sure to talk to these guys during the networking hour.
Yeah.
Did we miss anything? Is there anything else we need to cover about the event?
That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, I think.
You got 10
honestly.
spots left, or 12?
You got
12 spots, I think.
Yeah, we just got off the phone with the lady at the Confidante, and the max is 150. So we're going to keep selling these 10 tickets. I'm guessing they're going to sell out probably by the end of this week.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
cheers
speaker
now.
changes. Forgot to mention this. This is like the most
Oh, yeah.
important thing. Speaker changes. Scott Needham will not be with us, unfortunately. This sucks because I don't like to pick favorites, but he was one of my favorite speakers. He will be there in spirit, though, and he will be there virtually. He is going to do a virtual call-in. It'll be a recorded call. But his talk last year literally made me thousands of dollars on his repricing strategies. So I'm super excited for what he has to share with us on that recorded call. Caleb Roth will not be joining us either. He's had an exit of his company, and now I don't even know, he's just probably playing golf all day.
Big congratulations to Caleb Roth. He's got too much money for us. Okay. We get it, Caleb. You don't have to tell us the hard
But we will be giving a
Yeah.
toast. The rest of the Books and Bourbon crew, the rest of the Scout IQ team, all my book people out there will be giving a toast at the event. Let's give a toast right now.
Yeah, cheers.
Toast. Cheers.
Cafecito?
Congratulations, Scout IQ. So
and then
just like
who do we have any other speakers coming?
yeah, we
Avery?
got a new speaker. So we basically traded those two speakers for a worse speaker. No, I'm just kidding. We got Reezy Resells joining us, the legend. He's a lot of people started selling on Amazon because of this guy, so he will be there. We're giving him more time than everyone else at the end of the event. So be sure to show up early for Amazon Lit. First thing in the morning. They're like probably the most powerful speakers we have. They have a ton of stage presence. They're always fucking amazing. And at the end of the day, we got Reezy Resells. So Reezy Resells, he introduced a lot of people to the game selling on Amazon, and we're super excited to have him there. And he has a ton of social media tips for us too. So those are the changes. We also have Soros, who started selling on Amazon, and he's already at 10 million in sales doing online arbitrage. So he will be there as well. And if you guys want to see the whole speaker lineup, just go to MiamiSellersConference.com. I'll pull this up one more time. And you can see the whole speaker lineup on this page. The updated itinerary is here. I'm updating this right now. So if you guys ever want to see the itinerary, go to this page and you can see everything that we changed. And all the speakers too.
Yes. And for all correspondence, guys, make sure you're checking your email. We're going to send you notifications so people that got the after party. We're going to be disclosing the addresses of where to meet. And also, if you don't already have it, download WhatsApp, especially if you paid to stay at the Airbnb with us, but also for the after party in the yacht. We're going to try to use email and WhatsApp by adding people to WhatsApp groups. So download WhatsApp and check your email regularly.
Yep. Awesome. Thank you guys so much. Check your spam folders, check your promotion folders. Email us at miamisellers@gmail.com if you guys have any questions. That's going to be better than using our social media. We got Diana. She'll be there as well.
Diana's stoked. Look how stoked she is for Miami Sellers Conference. She's
What are her
stoked.
sales at for the last year?
I think, I don't know. This month she's on track to make $3,000 this month.
Profit. Nice. Yeah.
Here
So
in Costa Rica. All right, guys.
Awesome.
Well, Avery,
We'll see you
anything
guys
else we
soon.
can think of?
That's it. I think if they have questions, they can reach out to us. Much love, guys. Peace out.